Okay, let's talk about a challenge that a lot of successful businesses are facing right now.
So you've spent big on systems like ERPs, but what's happening day to day? Paper and spreadsheets.
And that disconnect, well, that's what creates a huge operational blind spot.
Sound familiar? Yeah, these are the little invisible gaps that pop up all over the place.
Now, you won't see these on a balance sheet, but trust me, they have very real costs.
For starters, they just drain so much time. All that manual entry and endless follow-up.
And with manual work comes risk. We're talking errors, delays, and even compliance headaches.
Audits become a nightmare. How do you prove anything when your data is all over the place?
So, the big question is, how do you even find a problem that's hiding in plain sight?
Well, what if you could get a reality check in just 60 seconds?
It's called the SFDP assessment. And look, this isn't a sales pitch. It's just for you.
It's super simple. You answer a few questions, and you instantly see where your gaps are.
And it's tailored to your business, not just your industry. It's about how you work.
We're talking the real fundamentals, like how things get recorded and who's actually accountable.
Again, the whole point here is to give you insight. That's it.
So what you get is a clear, honest snapshot of your own operations. Simple as that.
And having that clarity, that's what lets you start making smarter decisions.
You'll finally see where you're at risk, where you're flying blind, and what to do next.
Seriously, there's no commitment, no strings attached. This is just for your own clarity.
Think about it. Your daily operations tell a story. The real question is, are you ready to read it?
So go on, find out what's really happening. Take the 60-second assessment today.